USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this very crucial, very important civil justice sign off that is provided by I, Vedapriya Prose, for myself. And it is because United States of America, with fatal negligence, provided robocall poverty mandate to I, and that is USA nation do not have any birthrights to enforce poverty to I, and that is why this civil justice must be served immediately. And also, for I am displaying all the scandals of the absolute monarchs. Any salary United States of American government can provide me direct deposit to my bank account can help me to take care of my basic essentials immediate, so that in this transition time from being unemployed to the employment mode, then I can work on it, can help me out. Okay, so I will read out this civil justice process. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021, and salary as in any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian, true Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. Scandal phases of Republica, Europe nations worldwide. Republica, Greece Empire, never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of Greece Empire to be fatal negligence. So either USA government should say knows who is Republica Greece Empire, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Greece Empire. And what is the error? The error is USA is Islam, Judaism, Zionism is the Greece Empire, and it is created robocall poverty mandate, and it is a crime as of February 2021. And extended civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, is providing on this text for this ongoing civil justice sign off provided for myself. And because the USA nation with fatal negligence enforced poverty to I, and that is a crime of USA. USA nation do not have any birthright to enforce poverty to I am. So the civil justices, Republica Greece Empire, with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6th of 2021 and beyond, and also enforced finance disability to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly. So it is a crime for Republica Greece Empire when ruling USA. Never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. Civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America Citibank CEO to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38, and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and Greece Empire must sign off tax-free $500 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness Holiness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis and Republica Government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, I want USA, United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya, is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India. And I, Vedapriya Prose, should get the dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And I hope we all are in the same page on this very crucial ongoing civil justice sign-off. And I am providing the civil justice sign-off for myself because I am Vedapriya and I am the Prose, I am the true civil lawyer, I am the true civil lawyer, true civil doctor and true civil supreme judge. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.